Too close. Don't go too close. Don't go too close. Oh, I think I can see it. I think I can see it. Oh, I think I saw its wings. Oh my God, I can see it. Guys, can you see that? I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Oh my God. I am gonna tell. Oh, it's right there, guys. Guys, it's right there. Right there, I see it. It's adorable.
That is. It's up there. It's up there. It must have escaped from Prospect Park Zoo.
Yeah.
And then it realized that it was not supposed to escape because then it got lost.
Oh. Well, I'm actually making a video right now recording the bird and you.
You should make a picture.